Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in the shower. Yes, I'm in the shower. I'm about to show you how I usually wash my natural hair when I'm wearing faux locks. This has been a highly requested video on my Instagram page, so here I am coming from my shower showing you guys how I usually wash it. Alright guys, so I start off by running water through my hair and my faux locks before applying shampoo. The shampoo of choice is Cantu Cleansing Cream Shampoo. This shampoo usually gives me a good cleanse. I mean, it's my go-to shampoo whenever my hair is really dirty, because it really gets the job done without stripping my hair too much like many other shampoo brands usually do. I encourage you guys though to use whatever cleanser you would usually use to wash your hair when you're not wearing a protective style. Sometimes I tend to use a Shea Moisture shampoo, other times I use the Eden Coconut Cleanser, which is my favorite right now. But just go ahead guys and use whatever shampoo, cleanser, cleansing conditioner that you would have usually used if you weren't wearing the faux locks. Whatever you feel confusing, use it. There's no hard or fast way. And once you apply the shampoo or the cleanser, then you go and scrub your scalp to get a good clean, like just get in there. But be a little more gentle than you usually would when you're washing your natural hair. Though right now the video is edited so it seems a little more rough, but it's actually very gentle. So be very gentle but still exert enough pressure to get the job done. And after you finish scrubbing, then you go ahead and rinse out the soap as best as you can to get rid of the dirt. Because you know the first wash gets rid of that excess dirt and prepare for the real wash. So you go on your rinse out to prepare for the second time. And this time we're washing both the scalp and the lock itself. So now you go again and you place the shampoo on your scalp and this time on the locks as well. And let me stress that this is a protective style. It's supposed to be a style that is low maintenance, one that can be treated like it's your natural hair, which is why you're washing it like your natural hair and using the same products you would have used if you were washing your natural hair. So you just keep washing and scrubbing till you get out as much of the dirt, and also focus on the locks this time to get it clean. You know, sometimes after having the locks for a little while, it builds up the dust and it tends to have a brownish color. So after you're done, you'll realize the difference. It will look a lot more black and it will appear a lot more real and a lot more healthy. So you just keep going guys and wash and scrub and wash and scrub. Oh, and let me address that I've received many questions on my Instagram page about persons asking if the lock will fall out once you wash it. Let me just say the answer to that is no. It should not fall out if you wash your hair. Or at least the technique I use doesn't fall out with that. I'll leave a link in the description so that you guys can watch the video of how I installed my hair, install the faux locks, and the technique I use. And once you wash your hair with using that technique, you should be fine. And as I stated before, you use the same products that you would have been using if you were washing your natural hair. So now you rinse out the shampoo, the cleanser, the co-wash, whatever you had used, and just keep rinsing, get out as much of it as possible, get out the dirt, get out the soap, and then you allow the water to just drip out from your hair a little bit before you go in and applying your leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner of choice is from the Shea Moisture brand, but again, let me stress, the brand does not matter. Use what you have, use whatever brand you usually use, and you'll be okay. Focus on your roots before you put it on your lock. Just apply it all over, and then when you're done, you can apply some oil. I use castor oil on my scalp, but you can use a castor oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea oil, whatever oil you have, use it. Once again, it's supposed to be a low maintenance hairstyle. You wash, you apply leave-in, you apply your oil. That's pretty much it. Low maintenance, natural looking, protective style. There you go guys. Are you that? Eat that, do your thing, big up yourself, and stay tuned for my video next Sunday. Bye.